One thing that Judy and I used to do is try a cheeseburger, McDonald's cheeseburger in different countries. Now it's me and Juliana. It's interesting. It's just like an open air
Very popular, it looks like.
counter. Hey, what are you gonna try? Cheeseburger?
Yeah, probably just a normal cheeseburger.
Okay. What is going on here? A samurai burger. This is called the samurai barbecue egg big
Samurai
thick
knife.
burger. Barbecue potato big thick. I don't know which one I should try. Maybe I'll try that one.
Which one looks better?
This one looks better in my opinion. I wonder if samurai back in the day ever thought they'd have a burger named after them.
It looks like how
Tomato. There is a tomato. Hard to eat this with one hand. It's a samurai burger for sure. You like it? Does it taste the same?
There's something.
Or is it better?
I think there's something about it. I don't know if it's just my mom like to
Let me try it. Let me try it. The presentation is way better. That's perfect. We should have vlogged it. Let's try the french fries now. There's a difference in the fries too, a little bit. It's like a different kind of potato. It's McDonald's. Are you in?
Mm. 本当のすき焼きはこうじゃないんだけど。
わかる。
後でライスボールも。
ああ、なるほど。ついてる。
あ、そうですね。本当。
はい。
はい。
ありがとうございます。
こうだこうだ。
私。
ワルシー？ワルシー？
あ、美味しいよ。美味しいよ。
ワルシー？
多分それ一番美味しい思ってます。
これうまいよ。
Is that good now?
Yeah, it's good. There you go. You can put it up to your mouth.
Slimy.
It's okay. Put it up to your mouth.
ショッキング。ベリーデリシャス。
Put it up to your mouth like him. All the way up to the bowl. There you go. There you go. How do you like it?
Very good.
Good. You can eat the whole thing or you can give it to me. It's up to you. Because you didn't eat that much. And then guess what you get after that? Ooh,
wow!
Creme brulee. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
We've been doing like so much.
yeah, we did a
I
lot.
like that.
I
You
know.
know, at home just doing school, homework.
Well, that's what you do when you travel. We're just enjoying the view right now, which I know you can't really see with the reflection, but our first stop today, a place called Coffee. Well, the sign says coffee. Of course, gotta get a nice coffee and hopefully a snack. Konnichiwa. This place is legit. They roast their own coffee. So ever since I started making my own lattes, it's on a whole different level. Coffee exploration for me. Before it was about pour overs, now it's about lattes. Excuse me. Good thing I had my mask on.
Oh, it's warm.
I don't know. This is kind of like the dessert of the day. Mmm.
There's a napkin.
That's good. I'm gonna have to first try this. Or, do you want the first try?
I had to first try this.
It's not too sweet. It's really good. Try it. Banana milkshake.
It's like real good.
Oh, すごい上手です Wow. Wow. Look at the jiggle. You see the jiggle? Oh my god. Oh my god.
That tastes good.
Coffee was perfect. Perfect. We're about to eat lunch right now. It's gonna be traditional Japanese breakfast for lunch. They got 10 different kinds of eggs. We're gonna eat it with rice. And then put it in here.
This is good.
More. And then mix it. There you go. There you go. Just like that. That's good.
This is it?
All of it.
Or that?
All of it. How's it taste?
Good.
The garlic sign right there. Ninikuya.
I usually get to choose my juice. This is a lot.
She likes it. Oh, they got an English menu here, so definitely helpful. How does it taste though?
Let me try it. It tastes exactly like that peach nectar.
This is a garlic restaurant. We're starting off with some garlic rice, a couple of salads. I love okra, so that's what we're gonna do. And then we'll just explore the menu as the night goes on. Garlic whiskey. Smell good. Oh my gosh, it smells like I'm cooking with garlic. That's very good. If you love garlic, this is the drink you want to start your meal off with. Definitely on the rocks. It'd be kind of intense if it was just straight. Very good. Black garlic.
Garlic's been cooking for about 2 hours with the butter, so it's like very decadent and
It's
thick.
almost like caramelized onions, but
Yes,
garlic.
but garlic, yes.
Oh wow. Wow. Is that always done tableside like that?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cool. Ending the night with some dessert.
A little bit dessert.
I think this is a black garlic sauce with garlic ice cream. Juliana's got
Vanilla and caramel.
vanilla and caramel. Nini Q. It's a garlic restaurant, but if you just walked in here and you didn't know it was a garlic restaurant, you wouldn't know any different because it's such a nice balance. Definitely great for garlic lovers though. I suggest the garlic fried rice, the fried chicken, get the tomato cilantro salad. That trio is great. They're really known for their signature dish, which is the garlic bread. It'll ruin you from regular bread. Everything, literally everything was good. Even the garlic whiskey. If you're daring, try it. Yeah, it's like a nice goodbye. Kind of lightens things up, but reminds you, hey, here's some garlic for you to take with you.
Hopefully I don't forget it.
Definitely don't forget it. Ohayou gozaimasu. We just ran into some random people from the States.
By accident.
Juliana has been such a trooper. We had quite the morning. What happened?
So we were gonna go to this like coffee shop. It was kind of-ish, a longish.
It was
kind of
long. It was
Okay,
25 minutes at least.
And then we went there, and then Greek service.
Okay. And they weren't open at the time that was stated on their site. I felt bad because Doug and Janelle followed us. And Juliana. I asked them, where's the closest delicious bakery? And he knew exactly what I was
Delicious.
talking about because this is a bougie spot. Yeah. Oh, you heard me say it? Yeah. I had to clarify. They're all oishi, honestly, but he knew what I meant because the coffee shop that he runs.
You don't know yet.
is bougie and fancy. No, trust me, we know. It's a tiny little place. It's the bottom floor of probably someone's home. But yeah, we're gonna try it. Look, there's a lineup. Cute, nice doggy. Dogs don't bark in Japan. It's nice. Oh, yeah, this one, I think this is the one that guy got. It was kind of popular. Are you excited for your honey bread? I am too.
Having a small bread shop in Japan, and it's quite nice.
Tiny little spot. That's yours. That's a legit hot cocoa right there.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Is it good? You can mix it afterwards if you want.
Hot.
She has to get the right shot. Trying the macchiato.
It's like every reaction you have.
It's really good.
It's so small.
That coffee shop was awesome. It's kind of off the beaten path. Take a taxi unless you want to take a walk. But look what we found. This snack machine is legit. But we gotta catch this train, little one. I know, I'm sorry. Let's go. We're here at the department store.
Why is your Disney music?
I don't know why. Probably they don't have the license, so I bet you anything. Okay, so our first stop is orange jelly. How's it taste?
Good.
Daddy likes the snacks too.
Don't
I'm still a kid here. You know what I like about this place? They have sour to sweet and all the options in between. This is just below the sweetest one.
Oh.
Oh god. Here, I'll save some for you. First, they got osembe here. Probably the best osembe around. Got the white bean. It's nice and warm, which is probably the best. Even though that guy is so fast at making these, people are buying them by the box, like multiple boxes. So it took a while. That was like a good 10 minutes,
I mean,
maybe
at
more.
least you get to watch it.
Yeah. Yeah. You get a little show. How's that taste? Is it good? Fluffy? It's like a healthy stuffed pancake.
The pancake tastes really good.
That is really good. It's mostly bean.
I mean, yeah.
After this, I don't need to eat for a while.
Oh.
Here, you can have the rest. We just got to one of our favorite restaurants here in Japan, Matsuya. So if you remember, we came here on our last trip and had an amazing meal. I think we've been here twice. You probably don't remember. Traditional Korean food, but untraditionally extra excellent.
It's okay, I still have a hard time with metal chopsticks.
I know.
Only the
Octopus.
Very good. Very good.
I can't get it. I'm so.
Go ahead.
I'm bad at
Go ahead.
touches,
Let's
you
try
know.
it. Don't look at yourself. Look at the ramen.
Yeah. I mean, I can get, you know, like the frozen noodles, the fresh ones, but I don't know.
Ohio gozaimasu. First vending machine of the day. I forgot my water, so Juliana, I think she's purposefully forgetting her water so she can experience vending machines, which is all good because they're so fun. In fact, you know what? Daddy's gonna get tea. Press it. Did it work?
You have to put the card.
There we go. Okay. Take my train pass. Boom. Because it got a lot of money on there. Is it hot? Nice, huh? It's raining today, it's cloudy, and it's very cold. We're gonna go find some gift shops, snack stores, get it all out of the way right now for family and friends because it is fun to give it away. And you want to give some to your teachers? What do you think?
Yeah.
Department store basements.
Free is the thing that won't last long.
Oh, they won't, but guess what? We're totally going to look in amazement. Look how perfect that is. It's easily 200 bucks, at least. Would you pay 200 bucks?
No.
20 to 30 bucks or something like that just for that one thing?
Strawberry.
I know. Look at this, white strawberries. So perfect. Oh my gosh, look at these bananas. Is it good? You gotta get some of the strawberry too. There you go. Be careful. Take however much you want and then I'll eat the rest. Red bean paste in there. Yep.
I don't even know what it is.
I remember doing this as a kid.
It looks like maple syrup, actually.
It's not, I think it's just burnt sugar.
Oh. Mochi balls are just like the Bilo Bilo.
Let me see how this is. I like how you went right in for the ice cream. Didn't even wait.
Yeah, I told you I was going to try it.
They just messed up.